Hello viewers, welcome to Magesh classes. This is Magesh Kumar. In this presentation we are going to discuss about the questions asked in TRB PG 2017. The nature of the question is the optical activity of the cyclohexane compounds and erythrose threose concept. Let us move into the question part. Pick out the achiral compound from the following. சீர்மையற்ற சேர்மம் எது? Cyclohexane compounds. What is the concept needed for this question? 1,2 disubstituted, a cis form is axial equatorial and trans form axial axial or equatorial equatorial. 1,3 disubstituted, the cis form is axial axial, the trans form is axial equatorial or equatorial axial. And 1,4 disubstituted, the cis is AE and trans is AA or AE. Okay, first to see the compound A. So in compound A, it is a 1,2 disubstituted. 1,2 disubstituted, it is one is the axial and another one is the equatorial. So this is a axial one and this is the equatorial. Okay. In the B format, it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 disubstituted. It is one is the equatorial, another one is the axial. So this is equatorial and this is axial. It is 1, 2 disubstituted. 1, 2 disubstituted. Both are equatorial. So it is equatorial, equatorial. It is 1, 3 disubstituted. Both are equatorial. This is one is the equatorial and another one is the axial. Clear? So in case of A, you can write A structure. It is a structure of A. Axial equatorial. Axial equatorial is the cis format. Okay. So both the methyl groups are in the cis. Okay. So it has plane of axis. So this molecule is A chiral. Clear? Then this is the 1,3 disubstituted compound B is, and one is axial, another one is the equatorial. You may write the structure. One is equatorial, another one is axial. It is a cis or trans. It is a trans format. And another one is the this one. So it is a trans format. Okay, then here there is no axis subset. So one is the above the plane, another one is the below the plane. So it is chiral. Okay, and see this molecule. For compound C, it is 1 disubstituted and one is the equatorial, another one is the axial. So the compound is trans. So methyl group and another one is the CC group. Here the molecule does not having any plane of symmetry. So this molecule is chiral. Then about D. D, it is the 1,3 disubstituted. 1,3 disubstituted. One is E, another one is the EA. So the substitution 1,3 E and EA. A and E is the A and E is the trans. So you can write the structure like this. The trans format, one is above the plane and one is below the plane. This molecule does not contain any plane of symmetry and so it is chiral. So compound B, C, D are the chiral. So A is the A chiral compound. D is the A and E cis format. Both the groups are above the plane. The molecule is symmetric in nature and so it is A chiral. Answer is A. Next question. The given compound is D threose, L threose, D erythrose and L erythrose. What is the concept here? So this type of nomenclature is applicable for the compounds having adjacent asymmetry carbon. The compound should contain adjacent asymmetry carbon and the carbon is in the form of A BX, A, B, Y. That is, two groups are same and the third one is different. Okay. If the same groups on the same side, the similar group is on the same side. Similar group on the same side. It is said to be erythrous. You can easily mnemonics like that. Same side. So it is erythro. The similar groups are on the opposite direction. It is threose. Different side. So it is erythrous and threose. This concept is used in the sugar chemistry. That is carbohydrate. So once again, this is the type of nomenclature is applicable in the sugar chemistry, and the adjacent asymmetric carbon should be present. Is in the form of CABX and ABY. This AB is the two different groups, and X and Y is a different. Similar group are the same side. It is said to be erythrous and it is threose. Here, it is the erythrous form or the threose form. So it is in the form of AB, AB. So see here, suppose it is said to be A, it is B, it is a symmetric carbon, it is a A, and it is a B, and this is the Y group, and this is the Y group. Then this compound can be named as erythrous and threose form. And then if the similar groups on the same side, it is said to be erythrous. If the groups on the different direction, it is said to be deformate. Okay. This compound is threose or erythrous. The two groups are in the different side. Here the H and H on the different side or opposite side. So it is said to be threose or erythrous, threose. T for threose. So answer option C and D may not be the answer. The DL nomenclature. You have to know about the idea of DL nomenclature. DL nomenclature, and here the erythrous threose nomenclature. In case of D and L nomenclature, the more oxidizing group is in the top. The heteroatom is on the right hand side. It is said to be D. More oxidized group is on the top, and the heteroatom is on the left hand side. It is called L. Okay. See the compound. When you compare the CH2OH and CHO, it is more oxidizing group. More oxidizing group is in the top. And the heteroatom, other than the carbon oxygen or the OH group, CLX, etc., is on the left. Okay. So if it is present in the left, it is said to be L threose, L form, and if it is present in the right hand side, it is a D form. So this compound, the given compound is L threose. So your answer is B. Clear? Okay, viewers, I hope that it is very clear to you. If any queries, please post your comments. Thank you for listening.